All right, we're going to do another example here, start to finish. So this is example 5 and 11C in your book, so you could go look at your book there as well. So, all right, 6 cars left in the sun, time that they're left in the sun, and temperature. So we want to calculate our mean of both sets of data. So into my calculator, I'm going to actually turn that off. All right, so we want to go into stat. And then we want to edit our list. So I'm going to clear out both sets of data and put in my new data. So 55, 25, 40, 15, 45. And then I want to put in my new data, 47, 28, 36, 42, 34, 41. All right. So notice my data points aren't in order, but that's okay. Your calculator doesn't need them to be in order. So to find the mean, stat, calc, tovar, list 1, list 2, no frequency. All right, so we've got our x mean is 30. And our y mean, our temperature mean, is 38. So we should plot all of our data points. All right, so we've got 50, 47, 2, 4, 6, 10. So each of these we're counting by 2.5 because halfway would be 45. So 45, that'd be 47.5, so just below there. Oops, but on the 50. All right, 528. So 10, 5, 28. About here. 25, 36. 35, so just above that for 36. 40, 42. Just below 42.5. 15, 34, 45, 41, and then of course we want to put in our mean, 30, 38. So 30, 38. And now draw your straight line and try to go through, you have to go through the mean and equal number of points above and below. So I'm going to try and do a better job this time. Not a good start. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 below, and then sort of 1, 2 above. So that's not a very good job. Let's see if I can fix it. So I need more above this time. So something like this maybe. And even if I could tilt it down a little bit so that this one is above it would be best. Okay, so something like that is going to be my line of best fit. So predict the temperature of a car that's been left in the sun for 35 minutes. I'm going to use my graph this time. 35 minutes would be about here. So that looks like it's just above my mean point. So maybe 38.5 or 39. So I'll call it 39 degrees. 75 minutes, well, that's going to not be a very accurate prediction at all. So 75 would be down here. Let's give that one purple. And that looks like it's just below 45, so maybe we'll call that 43.5. So 43.5. And let's look at your book, because your book has line of best fit. So if we look at your example, they've got a better drawing. So they got 35, they got 40, so that's close to my 39. And 75, their line is steeper than mine, but you can also see that they had more accurately drawn points. So yours should look more like this. And now the reliability of our prediction. So the prediction for, and I'm going to type this because I go faster if I'm typing. All right, so the prediction for 35 minutes is reliable because it's a value within the data set. However, 75 minutes is well outside the data set, so it is not reliable. All right, so that is another example.